Hello, beautiful. Today we are going to make a lovely Centella cleansing cream. I'm going to add some ceramides in it, and I'm super corny, and I like to call this Centella Cera, because it's kind of like duping CeraVe, but yes, I am tragically corny. Ignore me. We're going to make it. So here we go. We are going to put in a good bit of water, and we're also going to throw in a bit of Centella hydrosol. It doesn't matter what hydrosol you use, or if you just want to use all water, you can do that as well. But I have some Centella hydrosol kicking around, and I want to use it. And I like to use it because it is soothing and calming, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it's nice. So there's the water phase. And next we are going to make the oil phase, because essentially we are just making a really lovely lotion that we're going to add some goodies to. So into the oil phase container, we're going to add some acetyl alcohol or cetyl alcohol. And cetyl is good. It's a fatty acid. It acts as an emollient to soften and soothe skin. And it's also a thickener. And now we're adding some Retamulse SCG, and that is a 100% vegan emulsifier. It really thickens up an emulsion really lovely, and it feels light, and it's conditioning and mild and gentle, and I like it. It's anionic though, so you do have to be careful what else you're pairing with it. And then now I'm putting in a little of some olive squalane. I really like it. It's light, it's an emollient, it helps to reduce water loss. It can also act as a humectant, so drawing water to itself. And I'm also adding some sunflower oil. I really just like sunflower oil. My skin loves it, and so I add it pretty much whenever possible. It's good for your skin as well. Okay, so now I'm adding some kupuasu butter. That is a super moisturizing butter. It can hold something like 250 times its weight in water. So it's really effective at bringing water to your skin and holding it there. It also makes your skin softer and a little more supple. I really like it a lot. And now I'm going in with some horsetail butter blend. I really like this, mostly just because horsetail has a lot of silica, and so it adds a nice slip. But it also can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So we heated those things up, and I used the microwave. And then we're going to go ahead and combine them and just make a lovely lotion. And now we're going to let that cool. That needs to come down to a temperature that's under 122 degrees Fahrenheit for the preservative. And that is what it looks like. It's beautiful. And now to that, we're going to add our cool down ingredients. And I just mixed them all together, but I'll tell you what they are. So in this container, we have some ultra mild surfactant, and that's just a very, very gentle, tear-free surfactant system, because we do actually want to aid in getting your skin clean. We're going to put some liquid Germall Plus in there, a little bit of vitamin E, a bit of ceramides, because we want to try and copy the CeraVe, so we need some ceramides in there. And I put a tiny bit of vitamin C because I have it and I want to use it, but I know that this is not going to be in contact with your skin for very long to be much use, but I put it in because I just wanted to. You can totally omit it, leave it out, add something else, some other kind of active in there that you want. It's entirely up to you. But I want you to see how much looser that is. Usually that does happen when you add ceramides to, at least when I add ceramides to a lotion, it will loosen that up a bit. Don't worry, it will thicken up a bit more once it fully cools, but it is initially has this effect where it loosens it up, which is kind of nice because it makes it much easier to get it into the bottle. So that's a good thing. So we're going to thoroughly mix that up. That's lovely. And then we're going to get a nice sanitized bottle and transfer it in. And because it's loosened up now, you don't need a funnel or anything if you're very careful. It'll pour right in, easy peasy. And that is it. It is that easy to whip together. It really is a lovely cleansing cream to use on your skin. I like it a little bit better than the hydrating CeraVe that I bought and used. And it's just lovely. It's not as kind of drying to my skin as even the hydrating CeraVe. So yeah, that's it. Now, you don't want to put the cap on until it completely cools. But that's it. It's beautiful. Enjoy. Subscribe for more. Bye.